Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today I have got for you guys a bag unboxing for a special occasion, but I also have another haul from Fabrique. Before we get started, I just wanted to share with you guys some incredible news. I'm not sure if you can tell already, but I just recently got engaged. I got engaged a couple of weeks ago. I did document everything on my Instagram, so if you want to see the stories and footage of the engagement, that is where you'll find it. I do want to say thank you to everyone who has already greeted me so far, especially those who are from my YouTube family, who has been following me since my balayage days, who has seen me through med school, a breakup, moving to Melbourne, this new relationship, and now finally getting engaged. It has been a whirlwind, and I really am so thankful to everyone from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, if you want to check it out, I do have like up photos of us on my Instagram. That is where I will be documenting everything in this new bridal era of mine. I'm so excited, you guys. But I have got a unboxing to share with you, and it is actually my wedding bag slash engagement bag unboxing. So if you want to see that, do stay tuned. Before we get into the bag, I wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, and that is Fabrique. You guys know I've worked with them before. I've loved my pieces from Fabrique. They're such great quality, well designed pieces. Every piece that I have from them has stood the test of time. Fabrique works with over 300 different fashion designers to create their unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that are still classic but edgy at the same time. It's honestly like the perfect match. It's like buying luxury designer clothing at a fraction of the price. So I really enjoy working with Fabrique and wearing and styling their pieces, and the new pieces that I've received are absolutely gorgeous and stunning, you guys. Like, I am actually obsessed. I'm going to Japan, and I honestly want to take every piece with me. In Australia, we are actually going into summer. I am going to Japan in a couple of weeks, so we will be in autumn winter, and so a lot of the pieces that I've got here to share with you are autumn winter items. So I think it'll be perfect, especially if you're in the northern hemisphere. First thing I wanted to share is actually what I'm wearing right now. This vest is from Fabrique with this gorgeous sequin detailing, and I actually paired it with these matching jeans, which is so cool. You guys know I love a good set, and when I saw this denim set, I was obsessed. What I really like is Fabrique has started incorporating like petite sizes, which is honestly perfect for someone like me who is very short. I'm 150 centimeters, and these pants fit me perfectly. So this set was actually designed by Ashley Ramasco, worked with Tom Brown, has worked with Louis Vuitton, and she has a couple of pieces with Fabrique. It's quite boho romantic with embellishments, and I just absolutely adore and love this. And so these are the first pieces that I wanted to share. And on the subject of embellished denim, I also got this absolutely stunning grey wash denim pants, and it has this absolutely gorgeous beading detail. When I tell you these pieces are so incredible, it really just blows me away in terms of the quality and the design. Like, the embellishments go all the way to the back, aligning as well so that the sequin doesn't scratch your skin. So it's a well thought out design. They don't skip on quality and comfort. I'm obsessed with this. This comes in like a light blue wash, a dark denim, and also like green, extra small petite, which means I don't have to worry about it being too long and having to get it tailored. This one was designed by Angelo Piccirella, who is a designer based in Milan, and he's worked with Dolce & Gabbana, Max Mara, and his Zendaya, and also Bella Hadid. I'm obsessed. I love this one so much. I am 100% taking this one to Japan. Moving on to coats, I have got this beautiful jacket to share. Another thing I love about Fabrique is they actually ship their coats in this garment bag, which is so good, especially if you're traveling and you need to take it with you. And I think having a garment bag makes it a bit more special and gives you that elevated experience. Oh, look at this. This is a faux leather burgundy bomber style jacket that is designed by Mariana Kata. It is the most beautiful like fall leather jacket ever. I have a few wine colored jackets because I love a good Bordeaux piece, but this honestly takes the cake. The way it drapes on the body, the way it's oversized but not too like overwhelming is so stunning. I absolutely love it. Look at that detail at the back. It's got this trench coat style black, and these pockets are so big and generous, but also gives like a really nice style to the jacket. I love that you can close the neckline like this, or wear it very open and casual. I'm 100% taking this one with me to Japan. I cannot wait to wear it and style it. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Moving on to the next jacket, I got this beautiful merino wool coat, which is lightweight but so warm. I love the brown checkered pattern on the front. I think this is such a gorgeous fall winter jacket. I love how it's boxy and oversized. That's kind of like my favorite style jacket. As you saw, it is just buttoned down. But the best part about this jacket is the fact that it's reversible. So this is such a great travel piece. Like, imagine having two jackets in one, and this is why I love Fabrique so much. They have really cool unique pieces like this that is just well thought out. Being able to reverse the piece and wear it in several different ways just give you so much more bang for your buck, and it just really highlights that these pieces are meant to be quality pieces that stand the test of time, that you can wear over and over again. Like, how beautiful is this brown color for autumn winter? This one was designed by Sina Stanek, and they are a designer duo from London, and I feel like they really know outerwear, being from the UK. So those were the clothing pieces that I got, but also I did actually pick a bag from Fabrique. This is the first time I've seen them doing bags, and I'm so excited because if the clothes are anything like the bags, I know that they're going to be amazing quality, and this one I'm so excited about. Here we go. Fabrique dust bag. Please welcome my new autumn winter bag, and that is this beautiful gorgeous east-west shoulder bag. This is called the Monty East-West. It is in this really beautiful glazed calfskin Bordeaux color, and it is stunning. This bag is designed by Sophie Jose, I think. Jose. She's worked with Hermes and Celine, and so she knows what she's doing when it comes to designing a bag, and I absolutely love this. At the moment, these style bags are obviously in fashion, taking inspo from Alaya, but so many different designers are doing it at the moment. I'm honestly so happy to be able to add something like this into my collection. I've wanted a bag similar to this for like functionality purposes, but also it just looks so cool and trendy. This is it worn. It is so comfortable. You can put some bag charms on the sides here. It does just say Fabrique on the front there. Opening it up, it has gold hardware, which is so delicious against this deep Bordeaux Merlot color. It has a beautiful chocolate interior lining, and it is kind of like a soft suede material, and it has this hidden pocket at the front here for your phone as well. I'm obsessed with this bag, you guys. I love it so much. You will definitely be seeing me wear this, and honestly right now I haven't bought a lot of brand new bags lately because there are so many like contemporary brands that are making really cool high quality bags, and this is honestly one of them. I love this. It also comes in black and red, so many beautiful colors, and honestly Fabrique have some other gorgeous like hobo bags as well. So if you're after an affordable high quality bag, Fabrique are now selling bags, which I'm excited about, so go and check them out. So I'll make sure to include my discount code up here or in the info bar below. Honestly, cannot rave enough good things about Fabrique. Thank you Fabrique for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's move on to the next handbag unboxing. Now this bag that I'm about to share with you, I actually bought a little while ago. For me, I don't typically buy bags for an occasion. I've tried to stop being sentimental about bags. If I like a bag, I'll just purchase it. Otherwise, you know, it is hard for you to then let it go later if there's a lot of emotional value attached to a bag, like personally. But when I saw this, I just knew this had to be like my engagement / wedding bag. I just knew, so I bought it quite well in advance. I wasn't engaged, I wasn't about to get married at the time. I think I was dating Cam for a year or two, but I knew I was gonna be with him forever, and I knew that this was a bag that I wanted to have and wear for my wedding / engagement, and I've actually held onto it for that long. So I think I've had it for a year and a half, and I've not used it, I've not touched it. And then when I finally got engaged and I had an inkling that I was was going to get engaged, I brought it out and I wore it. So I don't know if you can tell what it is just from the sound alone. Please welcome my beautiful vintage girl, Lexi Handles. Oh my gosh, is she not the most gorgeous thing? So this is a vintage mini Lady Dior with the gold hardware. Swarovski, is it Swarovski or sort of some sort of diamantes? Dior charm here as well, and it is in this beautiful white satin material. She is such a showstopper. Like, I'm actually so obsessed. This is definitely a very prized possession for me. This is not a bag that I'll be bringing out on a day-to-day basis. It is definitely for me a special occasion bag. This is vintage, so it does have some wear and tear, so let me show that to you guys. I'm not sure if you can see, but because it is satin, it does have some rubbing there from where the bag is getting rubbed. I will say, if you have dirty hands, this is just going to stain the bag, so I am very cautious about that. In terms of the interior, it is this beautiful gold interior, and it's got like the canage design. I've got the authenticity card here, so let's see when this was made. So this was from 2001, you guys, but it's got the authenticity card. The original owner did actually give me this strap to go with it as well, so you can wear it crossbody. But as you guys know, these vintage Dior bags used to be handle only. They didn't really have a strap, but yeah, she included this strap that you can attach. Yes, now the strap is a little bit long, so I probably will find another strap to go with it. It just looks like that. I love this like plastic top handle, so you know, like if you have dirty hands, this won't get dirty. Then having the white is such a beautiful design. I think I purchased this for just maybe $4.5, which I think is a really good deal for something as beautiful as this. I'm over the moon with this bag, you guys, and I'm over the moon that I'm able to finally share it with you and showcase this stunning piece. Could it be any more perfect for as a wedding bag? It is so beautiful. The Lady Dior in the mini size is my favorite size. I think it is like the perfect size for me, and I'm so obsessed with my black one. I'm definitely adding more mini Lady Diors to my collection, and yeah, that is the bag that I wanted to share with you. Last but certainly not least, I wanted to share with you guys some pieces that I got from JMYLADY, and also do a little reveal of products that are very similar. So JMYLADY is a small business and create bag charms that is repurposed from authentic Louis Vuitton canvas, and these are the pieces that I picked out. You guys are going to die. I did a whole video on this on my Instagram showing me wearing it and styling it, but firstly, I've got the Nano, I've got the Speedy, so I've got this super cute cosmetic pouch. Are these not so adorable, and do these not remind you of Louis Vuitton bag charms themselves? Louis Vuitton actually do create their own like nano bag charms, and so this is taking inspiration from that. It is handmade by her and her small team, and it is made from authentic Louis Vuitton canvas. I actually have an authentic piece to compare it to. I don't think I've shared this with you guys, but I do have this bag charm that I bought a little while ago. I got it secondhand because the price points on these is insane. It's like I could buy like an actual bigger bag for this. So I think this one you paid just under 1,000 Australian dollars, and these go for I think 1,415, but it is the Louis Vuitton Nano Alma bag charm. I actually wanted the multicolor, but I found this one which was just under 1,000, which I could justify. I couldn't justify spending over that. So the reason I got it was to go with my Nano Cherry Alma that you guys know I bought just this year. Look how cute it is. Isn't that adorable? So I got this, and then she contacted me about these other charms, and honestly I am kicking myself for even buying that, because she also does have an Alma on her website as well. But are they not the cutest thing? The only thing is this trim is not vachetta, so it doesn't darken or patina, so it won't darken with your bags, but it is still super cute and super cool, and the quality of this is really nice. And she also has other SLGs that you can buy and look into, so if you know you want Louis Vuitton canvas but not for the price point, you certainly can check her website out. This is one of my faves. If you want something that's a little bit more different and original, I really like this small pouch. It reminds me of obviously the bigger like cosmetic pouches, but this could be like a mini handbag makeup pouch. You can put like hand sanitizer, mini lipstick, mini powders, and I just think this is so cute. And it comes with like the attachment so you can wear it as a bag charm, you can have it as a keychain, and they are like a quarter of how much Louis Vuitton bag charms cost. I wanted this look but not the price point. Go and check her website out. I will put a discount code in the info bar. She did give me one. That is it. That is my haul today. That is my handbag reveals, my Fabrique haul. Do let me know if you enjoyed this video. If there is anything you want to see more from me, please let me know. I will be going to Japan in a couple of weeks, so I'm excited to vlog and also post on my socials. So do check me out on Instagram if you want to see what I get up to in Japan. Thank you again Fabrique for sponsoring this video. As always guys, thank you so much. Your support really means a lot to me, and as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.